Hi, welcome to ILE Science 5 2015. We study in level 1. Our teacher is Andrea. We have a question for you. Do you know how a doorbell works? Don't you know? Don't you worry it. We are going to explain.
For start make a doorbell, we use the following materials. 5 meters of a rolled copper wire.
Paper tape.
Screw 5 centimeters approximately.
1 switch.
Cutter or scissors.
Piece of wood 35 cm long, 25 cm wide, and half centimeter thick.
Screwdrivers.
Thin metal strip.
2 small sheets metal screw for width.
Wire for outlet.
And wire red. The doorbell is an electrical circuit composed of a generator, a switch, a roller with iron core. It consists of copper wire 50 Hz, a sheet styled. It works as a spring.
Instructions. Closing switch current flows through the winding cord. It is magnetized, generating a magnetic field. This magnetic field attracts the spring.
The source is the outlet. Then switch presets current flows within of iron's core, go out and spin wheeling through the springs. It serves as conductor and return. Closed circuit at that time is magnetized. The winding core attracts and the spring.
The spring make contact with the core and become attractive. Disconnect the electrical circuit for open winding is unmagnetized. The spring returns to its position, where it closes the circuit and the cycle